The course opened up in 1966. The first 9 was built by a gentleman by the name of Mr. De Beer and Uncle Max Hildebrand. It's a parkland course, very, very nicely set out on the side of the Lebomba Mountains. The course is a resort course, and that's the way we set it up. We want people to come here and shoot lights out when they play here and go back home and say they had a great time at the Royal Swazi Spa. And as far as the Sunshine Tour is concerned, the pros love coming here every year because of the friendly Swazi people, the way we look after them at the Royal Swazi Spa, and they can also have a go at getting very, very good scores.
G'day, I'm Antwerp van der Westhuizen, Managing Director for John Deere Financial in Sub-Saharan Africa. Now, if you think about John Deere Financial, normally you would think about financial solutions for agriculture. So you'll be surprised to know that we don't just support agriculture, we support all John Deere products. That includes golf and turf equipment as well. So we're standing today here at the beautiful Royal Swazi Spa on the golf course on the 17th. And I'm very privileged to tell you that John Deere is making a difference for the Royal Swazi Spa as well.
Good day, my name's Brian Scott. I represent CFA Turf. We currently have the contract for Royal Swazi Spa. We're a proudly Eswatini-based company. This is the first time Royal Swazi is using John Deere equipment in 50 years. We've had great support. The pricing was right on the machinery. We found the best deal possible through John Deere Finance, and they structured a deal that was really appropriate to our needs. Some of the things they brought to the table were below market interest rate, flexible lending period, and they assisted us with our deposit, which in turn helped us with our cash flow going forward. And I think John Deere, it's a proven product. So far, we're definitely very happy with the outcome.
I'm Hein Koch, I'm the head superintendent here at Royal Swazi Spa. I've been in the industry now for about 15 years, and I must say with the John Deere equipment, I had the privilege, if you can put it like that, working with John Deere, Toro and Jacobson. And if you do a comparison with the John Deere equipment itself, it really complements in our conditions what we want to do, especially because here the grass really grows. I mean, you cut the grass, you look back and it looks like you haven't even been mowing. And then so we've got a high demand on the mowing and the quality of cut we need to give at the end of the day. The John Deere really goes hand in hand with what we want to do.
Over the number of years, we've obviously had a huge fleet of equipment here, so we need to have a reliable set of equipment. Obviously, it's worth a lot of money, and at the end of the day, whoever the service provider is at the Royal Swazi Spa, they need to provide the service and the right type of standard to the Royal Swazi Spa. And at the end, they decided that John Deere was the best for a number of reasons. Obviously, I thought the packages they put together was very, very attractive. And I think now having Swazi Track on track, also I think that weighed up a lot of the choices towards John Deere.
We as John Deere Financial have different solutions available for our golf and turf clients. Here we assisted in the down payments for the equipment, and we also structured it in such a way that it specifically is geared for their specific financial needs. The cash flow that they have here is very seasonal, and we can make sure that the installments that they pay is linked to how the cash flow is being generated.
We foresee that going forward, the relationship will go from strength to strength. It's all really that our client wants. He wants a great course, he wants service, and he wants guests to be wowed by what we offer here at the Royal Swazi Spa. And I do believe we offer that.